Hi, welcome to Butterfly Cottage. Today we're making chocolate tiffin. Let's get on with it. So here we have 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 150 grams of butter, 225 grams of rich tea, digestive or any other kind of biscuit you want, and 200 grams of chocolate. Let's get on with it. We're going to put this in here together and we're going to melt it. Once that's melted, I'll be back with you. Okay, so that's almost done. So now we need to crush these into small pieces and then we're going to mix this in with the chocolate mix and then we're going to put this over a double boiler. All right, come back and join me. Okay, this is ready now. So we need to grease our tray and add our biscuits to this. Let's go over to the table. Okay, so the biscuits are going in. At this point, it's also optional if you want to add any nuts or sultanas, cherries, anything like that, you can put that in. I've got some sultanas, so I'm going to add some of those, not many, just a few, and then just mix it until it's completely coated. Okay, so that's ready to go into the tin. Here we go. My granny used to make this for me when I was a little girl and I absolutely loved it. It's also known as fridge cake. Okay, so you need to press this out into the tin now until it's level. So I've got 100 gram of dark and 100 gram of milk chocolate in here. I'm going to melt that over my double boiler, which is a pan of boiling water with a bowl in it. Whatever you do, don't get any water into that chocolate. Okay, here we go. The chocolate's going on. When this is on, you put it into the fridge and you leave it for 2 hours till overnight if you possibly can. I'm not sure that'll work in our house. I found some white chocolate in the cupboard, so I thought I'd melt that as well and just dribble it on. Some nice milker. Okay, this is fridge ready now. In total there's 300 grams of chocolate on there. My mouth's watering, I need to eat it in 2 hours. I'm sure we will. Come back and join us when it's ready. Here we have the finished product. If you like the look of this recipe and you want to try anything else from our collection, head over to the rest of our videos at Butterfly Cottage, like and subscribe and ring that bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling.